Today we are going to be drawing a cool 2D jumping Mario. So we'll draw the full body here, but we're going to start with the right eye. We're just going to do this oval. And then you can go ahead and just fill that oval all the way in. From here, we'll go ahead and draw the right eyebrow. We'll do an arc like this. And then we want to do another arc right on top of it with a tiny little bit of a gap, and then we'll go ahead and color that in as well. Next thing we'll do is draw Mario's nose. We're going to start pretty much at the bottom of the eye. If you look to the eye on the right, start on the bottom of the eye, we'll do a big curve like this and then bring it right back over to the right eye. Now we can go ahead and draw the left eye. We're going to start coming out from the nose, bring it back down and around, and then color this in. We'll go ahead and do the left eyebrow. It's going to look a little bit different. We'll do another arc like this, do another arc right on top, and then fill it in. Now we're going to kind of draw Mario's head here. We're going to come up from the nose. It's going to be right next to the left eye. We're going to go just right through the eyebrow that we just created, and we're going to stop right before we get to the right eyebrow. We can also go ahead and draw his mustache, the iconic Mario mustache. We'll do a little loop right here, little bigger one. You'll notice that with each loop, I'm kind of changing just slightly the angle of the arc. Then we'll connect it right back up to this line that we created right here. Now we can go ahead and draw Mario's ear. You'll notice I'm kind of going right from the middle of the eye and then bringing my hand out just to get the placement correct. You'll see me do that a lot. We'll do a little arc, and then we'll just do kind of like a little pinch inside the ear like this. Let's start to draw Mario's hat. We're going to come out from the head right here. We're going to do this big loop, and we're going to connect it all the way down to the ear that we just drew. That's why I like to do the ear first. Then we're going to draw this little arc that goes from the inside of the hat that we just drew, and we're going to connect it right to the eyebrow, and then we're going to kind of curve it back into the line for the hat that we just drew. Let's go ahead and put in his sideburns real quick. We'll come right down here from the bill of the hat, do a small little loop, do another bigger loop, and then connect it back up to the ear. To draw the top of the hat, we're going to start from the bill. We're going to do a big loop like this, bring it down, and then we'll do another one that comes out from that loop, and then we'll do one more that comes out from the ear and then connects right here. We can also draw the circle that will eventually put our M inside of here for Mario. When I draw that M, I think I'm going to switch to a different size pen though, because the pen I'm using right now is a little bit too thick and the M won't turn out well. Now to draw the rest of his head, we're going to come out from Mario's mustache, do a loop right down here, and we're going to work around until we can connect it right back over to where the sideburns and the ear meet. Then we could just do some of Mario's hair. So to do that, we'll go ahead and come out from the ear, loop it towards the head. We'll come out from the back of the neck, kind of right here, loop it out. And I think it actually would look good if we just add one more little loop right here. Looks nice. So now we have Mario's head, and now we got to start working on his body. We're going to make him in this kind of mid-jump pose. So we're actually going to start with the thumb, and we're going to do this arc that comes right out from the bill of the hat right here. Notice that on the bottom, I did not connect it back to the hat. That'll help it look like a thumb. Then we're going to draw this little line that connects to the thumb right here. We're going to start to build the fingers now. I'm doing another one. So you just loop it down and then bring it back up. I'm going to do the same thing, loop it down, bring it back up. And on this one, I'm going to put this little horizontal arc right here. We're going to start from the bill of the hat. I'm going to bring this around, almost like doing a circle right here, but we're not going to complete it. This is making the top of his glove. Because he's wearing gloves, we always have these little loops that kind of come out from his hand. So we'll come out from that little circle that we drew and connect it back to the nose. And I'm just going to do this little arc from the nose to the bill of the hat, just to kind of show the shape of the thumb. Now to make his arm, we're going to come from inside the glove right here, and we're going to bring it down. I'm going to kind of bring it down right into the side of his nose. If you follow his nose and you think about a line that goes vertically down from the outside of his nose, that's where we want to stop. To make the overalls, we'll come out from the neck. I'm going to go past the arm here. Now we're going to do another one that pretty much follows that same exact shape, but I want to stop like halfway. I'll do a horizontal line, and then I will connect it back up to the head again. So this is building Mario's overalls. On this next one here, we're going to bring it down, and then I'm going to kind of do this little loop to the right. Let's go ahead and put Mario's buttons on. He's got these big buttons on his overalls, so we'll just do 2 big ovals. If you need something to compare it to, you can kind of look at the eyes and judge the size from the eyes. I like to put these 2 little lines on the inside just to show like the holes of the buttons. Then we'll go ahead and start drawing the other arm here. We're going to go kind of inside that little loop that we just created. And we're going to do this arc that comes down, and I'm kind of keeping an eye on the buttons to help me figure out where I'm going to stop that line. Then I'm going to come out from the back of the neck. I'm going to follow that same arc, come down to about here. We could put the glove on, or at least start to build it here. We'll do this little horizontal line. I like to put a little bit of a wave through it. I think it just makes it look a little bit more realistic rather than just like a completely straight line. Again, because they're gloves, we always put this little ridge on it. Now we're just going to build. I'm just going to kind of do like 3 loops right here to indicate Mario's knuckles. We're kind of seeing the back of his hand here, if that makes sense. It's looking good so far. Let's go ahead and do the back of his body here. I'm going to start from the arc. I'm going to let it cross the little line for the overalls. I'm going to bring it in just slightly. And then I'm paying attention to that right glove. And right when I kind of get to the bottom of it, that's when I make that line that curves to the right. Start working on the other side. So here again, you see me kind of lining up my pen with the previous line, and I'm just acting as if that line were to continue through that button. Then we're going to start to come out here to build Mario's leg. We just do this little curve to the left, put a little tiny little arc on the end of it. And then to build kind of the rest of his body here, I think it's good to keep this line continuing. So again, look at the line right underneath the button on the left. I kind of pretend that that line were just to continue through, and that's how I make that arc there. Now I can build the bottom of the leg. And we're going to put this line that connects. So to finish the shoe up, we're going to make this arc. We're going to loop it all the way down. And I'm kind of almost making like a little peanut shape here. You can tell I kind of curved it in just ever so slightly because we're going to see the bottom of Mario's shoes. So now I'm just kind of showing the bottom of his shoes here by creating these two lines that both arc in back to the middle. Now to get his other leg in, we're going to start right about here, and I'm following the same arc that I drew for the back of the leg. It's my dog barking in the background. I apologize. We're going to make a little line that connects to the glove right here. I'm bringing this line just a little bit more in, and then connecting it back up to the glove. And then now we're going to do this big loop again, kind of like an oval, but we're not going to finish it. We'll just connect it to the glove. So that is Mario's foot right there. And then pretty much the last thing we got to do is actually put the M on the Mario hat. And again, I'm going to switch out my pens here because I want to be able to color in the M red. So I have to use a thinner marker. So now we're just building out this M. When you get to the coloring stage too, if you want to, you could just not put the M in there at all right now for the outline and then just kind of color the M in with a marker. Now that I'm looking at this, I do think that it will look just a little bit better if I add this little arc that comes out from the chin and then connects to the overalls. It just kind of helps build the shape of the arm here. Now we pretty much have everything done, and really all we need to do is start to color this up. So I'm going to speed through the footage. You'll be able to see how I color it, how I add some form with some shading, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.